Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares posted gains on Wednesday with the Nikkei 225 up on a weaker yen, and sentiment was also helped by an upbeat session on Wall Street. Japan's Nikkei 225 rose 0.72% in morning trade, helped by a weakness in the yen and a Bank of Japan price survey that showed that domestic firms expect inflation of 1.5% in the coming year, a sign that the country's long-term deflationary pressure could be easing. Australia's ASX 200 rose 0.2%, while the Shanghai Composite gained 0.42%, and the Hang Seng Index gained 0.39%. Overnight US stocks rose after data revealed activity in the country's manufacturing sector picked up its pace for a second consecutive month in March. US stocks gain on manufacturing report, Dow gains 0.46%. The Australian dollar fell further on Wednesday in Asia after February building approvals data came in much weaker than expected following a sharp gain in January, likely disappointing the Reserve Bank of Australia that sees the sector as crucial to rebalance the economy as a mining investment boom wanes. Australia dollar-US dollar traded at 0.9230, down 0.19% after the data which showed a month-on-month drop of 5.0% compared to an expected decline of 2.5%. From the previous month's gain of 6.8%. Separately, US dollar Japanese yen traded at 103.85, up 0.18% after the Bank of Japan released a new set of data on the inflation outlook measured in CPI among companies polled in the quarterly Tankan survey for March. Today we'll see updates on the unemployment trend in Spain and ADP's estimate of private payrolls for the US. US ADP employment report 12:15 GMT. The widely held view that the US economic growth will accelerate if the spring faces another test in today's estimate of private payrolls for March. Economists project that the crowd won't be disappointed. Employment in the private sector is expected to add 193,000 jobs in March, according to the consensus forecast for this report from ADP. That's a modest gain, although the prediction represents a substantial improvement over the sluggish 139,000 increase in ADP's February release. It was the latest market news provided by IPO FX. Goodbye.